Let's make Malabar spinach, which is called Pui Shak in Bangla. For that, add mustard oil into your pan. Then add dried red chilies and fry them until they become darker in color. Next, add onions and fry them until they become golden brown in color. Keep stirring gently, and when the dried red chilies have become darker in color, set them aside on a different plate. Keep stirring the onions, and when the onions have become golden brown, add garlic paste or grated garlic. Next, add salt according to your taste. Then add turmeric powder, chili powder. Next, you have to pour water into it and cook the spices very well for 3 to 4 minutes. After the spices have cooked very well, you have to add the stems first. Mix the spices with the stem and let it cook very well. You have to keep stirring it so that it does not stick to the bottom or burn. After cooking the stems for a while and stirring it, you have to add little water. Stir and clean the edges and cover it with a lid. Let it cook for a while. After it has cooked for a while, uncover the lid and keep stirring. Then it's time to add the pumpkin. Add the pumpkin and mix the spices with it very well. Keep stirring, and then you have to cover it with a lid and let it cook for a while. After a while, uncover it and stir occasionally. Then you have to add the Malabar spinach. You have to add the Malabar spinach very slowly, little by little. With the heat, the Malabar spinach will shrink. Keep stirring gently. Next, you have to add a little bit of water. According to the need, you have to add a little bit more water. Let it cook for a while. Next, you have to add the green chilies. Then cover it with a lid and let it cook for a while. After it has cooked for a while, uncover the lid and stir occasionally. Then add the dried red chilies just before it's done cooking. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for a while. After it has been cooked for a while, uncover the lid and stir. Then push the stem with the spatula and check if it has become soft or not. If the stem has become soft, that means it's done cooking. Now serve the Malabar spinach in a different bowl and enjoy it with the rice. Malabar spinach is super delicious and so healthy. Make sure to eat leafy greens every week. That's about it for today. Praying love and light your way. God bless you all. Subscribe to get more videos like this.